When the engine roars, the ancient forest trembles. The vehicle descends the slope, carrying the weight of an entire journey. Get ready to witness the meticulous and impressive logging process. It's time to begin. Tatra Phoenix, a machine called the Winter Warrior. When equipped with a V-shaped front, it has the ability to handle snow and clear paths in harsh conditions. This is an effective choice for snow removal tasks, helping to improve traffic and ensure safety in winter. If cutting trees is an art, then this craftsman is a talented artist. Each cut is carefully calculated to chop the large trunk into evenly sized pieces of wood. Every move he makes shows experience and professional technique. The Turbo Saw tree cutter is the nightmare of stubborn tree stumps. Its destructive power is demonstrated through its high-speed saw blade and the ability to rotate 90 degrees. With this power, it has destroyed both the stump and roots in an instant. The LKT-81 is truly a powerful machine. It not only moves smoothly on snow, but also has the capability to easily pull large logs. As you can see, every operation of the machine is quick and efficient. It deserves to be a legend in the forestry industry. I don't think they could have come up with this solution. They transported the tree in a way that was hard to imagine. Cutting down trees next to the house always carries risks, if not carefully calculated. Even though they tried their best, the house could not escape the fall of the large trunk. I hope they will learn a lesson from this incident. This is not just a machine. It is also a symbol of power. With outstanding performance, it strips bark effortlessly, even from the toughest logs. Handling branches high up is not as easy as it seems, but with extensive experience, this craftsman controls every situation with confidence. Each handling phase demonstrates his remarkable skill and dexterity. machines are the silent heroes of the sawmill. Thanks to their ability to work tirelessly, they ensure a productive and efficient wood production process. With this incredible power, they have set a new standard for high performance in the forestry industry. He is trying to cut a branch, but this method is both ineffective and poses many dangers. The 8000 electric circular saw offers precision and flexibility, making wood cutting easier than ever. Thanks to its quick handling capabilities, it easily makes accurate cuts on various types of wood, ensuring optimal work performance. Not only is it powerful, but this machine is also compactly designed and integrates many convenient features, helping you have better control in every operation. Transporting wood through bends always carries risks, but with extensive experience, this driver handles every situation with great confidence. The LH 35-meter timber material handling machine is an incredibly powerful machine. With its strong grabber, it can easily lift and transport dozens of blocks of wood. Not only does it have impressive power, but the machine's transporting capability is also noteworthy. The upgraded chassis system helps the machine maintain high stability even when moving over long distances. This is an intense competition between two machines, the Style MS 651 chainsaw and the Style MS 382. Both are facing the mighty Swietenia mahogany wood. Who will prevail? Let's watch the powerful performance from both of these machines. The Peterson 5710C is a powerful tool, specifically designed to process wood efficiently and quickly. With its exceptional grinding capability, the machine helps save time and enhance productivity in all wood processing tasks. Additionally, equipped with advanced technology, this machine is truly the ideal choice for those seeking a reliable and durable solution. The powerful LKT-81 Turbo pulls along huge logs on the snow-covered terrain. The wheels grip tightly, the engine roars with might, gradually pushing the heavy timber forward. This is the true strength of a logging machine. This craftsman is facing a real challenge, but with his skilled technique in the Steel 661 chainsaw, he successfully conquered a mature pine tree with a diameter exceeding 3 meters. Processing wood in a snowy environment is not an easy task. It requires the worker to have extensive experience and skills in operating machinery. Despite the harsh weather, this worker carefully calculates and makes each precise cut. The Chippo 8010C is a powerful wood grinding machine. It not only has the capability to slice wood, but also crushes them smoothly and quickly. With an energy-efficient design and outstanding performance, the machine meets the strict demands of the forestry industry. This truck transporting wood is facing a major problem. With a load of several tons of wood, it is stuck on the muddy dirt road. This is truly a dangerous and challenging sight. Using the stump grinder from Premier Attachments is the optimal solution for removing stumps. It replaces traditional methods, offering simplicity and efficiency. This equipment operates quietly without causing noise, helping to save time and costs. Norwood has taken wood sawing technology to a new level with the Frontier OS-27. Designed with a sturdy frame and a smooth sliding system, the Frontier OS-27 makes working on wooden surfaces easy and precise. Additionally, the sharp blade of the Frontier OS-27 provides delicate cuts down to every detail, ensuring optimal quality for each product. Moorbark 2 23 flail and 23 chip harvester are an extremely efficient wood processing duo. The Moorbark 2 23 flail is responsible for stripping the bark from trees. Meanwhile, the Moorbark 23 chip harvester chops the tree trunks into uniform wood chips. Thanks to this combination, wood is processed quickly, ensuring high efficiency for the working process. Drum debarker, the optimal solution for the wood processing stage. The machine operates with superior strength, quickly stripping bark and cleaning wood roots in a short time. With its optimized design, the drum debarker not only saves time, but also ensures high efficiency in wood processing. The Scania R770 truck is a monster in the world of wood transportation. When equipped with a crane system, it has the ability to move a large amount of wood onto the truck without assistance. In particular, its continuous working capability enhances productivity while still ensuring work efficiency. The CAT 3.360 excavator is the embodiment of a destroyer. Under its powerful blows, the house was crushed in an instant. It is a solution that helps save time and effort for construction projects. Transporting a gigantic excavator is a challenging and dangerous job. It not only requires excellent driving skills, but also demands a high level of concentration. This is a journey full of risks and challenges. Transporting a huge transformer weighing up to 300 tons is not an easy task. It requires not only skilled driving, but also a high level of concentration. This is truly a journey full of risks and challenges. LKT is a powerful excavator. With a robust wheeled system, it easily moves across complex terrains. The large and strong bucket allows it to handle soil and clear paths quickly. This is the ideal tool for projects that require high productivity and durable operation.